Alrighty YouTube, and welcome back to Fernvalley Farms Beekeeping channel. If you're looking to watch beekeeping videos, you came to the right place. My name is Vince, and welcome. My assistant, Lydia, my wife. That's why I get my help once a year here. So, and see how we got the same shirts on? You like that? Ain't it cute? Yeah. Anyways, what we're doing here is I'm making comb honey. And I did an update video on this. I'll link it at the end of this video, but let me show you. I made these frames, different sizes for comb honey. I made these for wide mouth jars. And I designed these so this should, if it works right, slide right into the jar, and I'm going to fill it with honey. And each jar should weigh about 3 pounds plus the comb. So what we're going to do here is we're going to cut this out, and you're going to see this for the first time, and we've never done this before. So if we screw it up, you're going to see it. We're going to cut these out, we're going to place them in the jars, and I've got them right there. Let me grab them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these wide mouth jars, you're going to cut that out, we're going to slide this right in there. If my design is right, they should fit right in. Now very carefully, now just so you know, this was made very carefully to sit right in there just like that. Now I was hoping it'd be a little, now remember when you cut this, see that? Oh no, where's it at? Oh, there. Oh, that's right, there's a little piece of wood in it. You're fine, there's a little piece of wood, that's what they drew the comb on. So.
Okay, so I don't get any comb, I don't get any
wood? No, it's fine.
Okay.
So now, I have a friend of mine who's gonna be really excited when he sees this. Okay, that's one. We're going to cover these up for right now. And when I go to fill honey, I'm going to fill this up. Let's put these right here. I just bought brand new jars, but I'll probably have the people that I sell this to, I know them, there's not like a stranger. I'm going to see if I can get the jars back and I can refill them next year. So, I'll put that on there. Okay, yeah, that, see if you can get saved the one.
What?
Yeah, the other side, how it's coming over the front there. And I do have a frame that's got two. I designed these for the quart jars and then the half pint. So, and like I said, next year, well, it's working. Got one more.
This one?
Or two more. Look out. That one's not as full, but that one's not quite as thick. I could put those frames outside too, if we kind of clean all that up. Let me wash this off.
Just grab the
I'll wash it.
you have to wipe.
You see what I did? I put little pieces of starter strip in here, and then the bees drew it down. Let's put this in, right there. Okay, now Okay, here's the other one for the pint jars, right? This is small. Yeah, these are for the pint jars. So by the time this gets cut out, this will fit right in a pint jar. All right, well, so that's it. So that's what it looks like when you do that. It worked. So, but next year I'm going to space the frames out different in the hive. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut this one out, put that in a jar, and we're good to go. So anyway, that's my idea. It worked. Hopefully you liked it. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this yourself and how it worked out for you. So I guess that's it. So do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. When you ring the bell, you get notified every time one of these videos come out, and I will see you guys really soon in the next video. All right, bye.